Dear student, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to find mode of the given frequency table. Let's start. Let's see the question now over here. Electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode of use of electricity. So here we have a frequency table and this table has two columns. The first column is use of electricity and the second column is number of families. So here we have a first class in the first column 0 to 20 and the number of families for this class is given 13. Similarly, next class is 20 to 40 and 50 is the number of families and so on. So here the first column we say as class and the second column is known as frequency. Okay, your first step is that find the model class. What if we find out? Model class. So what is a model class? A class which has greater frequency. You can see this number 100. It is a greater frequency in the column of number of families, in the column of frequency. So this 100 is the greater frequency and class corresponding to the greater frequency is 60 to 80. So 60 to 80 will be known as model class. Okay. So your answer will come between 60 to 80 only. That's why it is called as model class, because this class only will give us mode of the given number. So your answer should come between 60 to 80. And what is the frequency of this class? That is 100. So that is called as F1. So what do you mean by F1? The greater frequency, highest frequency. It is also be known as FM. FM means maximum frequency. Now, okay, let's see now in the table over here now. Before 100 we have a frequency 70. So 70 is called as F0. Okay, F0. So what is F0? It's a frequency just before the greater frequency. So here F0 is 70. Okay, now we have to find out F2. So what is F2? A frequency which comes after the greater frequency, that is 80. Okay, so here 80 is called as F2. Now we have to find out L. So here L stands for lower limit of the model class. You can see here we have a class 60 to 80. 60 to 80 is called as model class. 60 is called as lower limit of the class and 80 is called as upper limit of the class. So lower limit is 60. That's why here L equals to 60. Now we have to find out H. So what is H? Width of the class, width of the model class. So here we have a class 60 to 80. So how to find the width of the class? How to find H? That is upper limit minus lower limit. That means 80 minus 60. Okay. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 80 minus 60. That equals to 20. Okay. Now we will apply the formula to find out the mode. So here we have a formula. Mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by H. So L, what is L? You can see it is L is 60, right? L is 60 plus F1. What is F1? F1 is 100 minus F0. What is F0? 70 whole upon 2F1. 2F1. Can you see here? Denominator is 2F1. 2 into F1. F1 is 100. 2 into 100 minus F0, that is 70, minus F2, that is 80. Close the bracket. multiply by h, and h is, what is h over here? H is 20, equals to, now we'll write here 60 plus 100 minus 70. Okay, what is there in the numerator? 100 minus 70, that is 30, upon 2 into 100 is 200, minus 70 minus 80, multiply by 20. So we will get here 60 plus 30 upon, so what will get over here? 2 into 200 minus 70 is 130, 130 minus 80 equals to 50. So we'll get here 50, close the bracket, multiply by 20. Okay, now we'll go for the cancellation. You can cancel this 50 and 30. It will go by 10, 10 threes are and 10 fives are. And now you can cancel this 5 and 20, 5 ones are and 5 fours are. So what will get here? 60 plus 3 into 4, that is 12. And 60 plus 12 is 72. Okay, so what was the question asked to find out? Mode of use of electricity. So mode of electricity is 72 units.